What up again, YouTube? Here you go. I just revealed them. We got 1 bell, 2 bell, 3 bell, 4 bell, 5 bell, 6 bell, 7 bell, 8 bell, 9 bell, and 10 bell. So basically, all the 10 game got a bell on them. So just revealing that because I'm so happy that I finally reveal it, and it's 10, all the 10 prices are winners. So I'm just gonna reveal that price in the next video tomorrow to show you the winning prices. What up? Good night, YouTube. Love you all. Make sure you subscribe to my new channel. Just new, subscribe to my new channel. Love you all. Good night.